So our clients are people who are trying to develop new technologies, and the sort of work we do is stuff that nobody else in the rest of the world can do. We're always taking on jobs that others think are impossible. So that means our business is international, and 80% of our work is somewhere else, typically in North America and in Europe. One of the first concerns clients have is that Australia is far away, but we live in a period where with communications those distances are no longer important. We use collaborative tools a lot. It's very busy early in the morning here when we overlap with the United States, when we will have teleconferences with our clients and partners in the US, and then in the afternoon we overlap with Europe when we'll have our teleconferences with the Europeans. And in the meantime, we can get some work done. So when we started our discussions with clients in the early days of the business, it was always by the telephone and by email. Telephone prices dropped considerably, and that's now almost a trivial cost. You can do telephone type communications through software tools, through your computer. And that meant we didn't have to all be in the same office to have the same meeting. We could have people in their cars, people in remote sites, people in multiple sites, and it didn't matter where in the world they were. And more recently, we've started using collaborative software tools, web-based, which enable us to share our computer screens as well as talk on the telephone to each other. The ability to share what's on our screens, it means that we can share documents, we can share designs, we can minute the discussion as we go. So at the end of the meeting, it's just a simple button push and everybody's got the minutes of what we discussed. Well, the hardware is extremely affordable. These days with a laptop, often they have cameras in them and an internet connection, that's all you need. We've set up rooms with screens in them so that everybody around the room can see the screen. The next step from that is that we share our cameras, and hey presto, you're working on a teleconference, a video conference. Sometimes it's really good to see the raised eyebrow of the client on the other side of the world. That tells you, maybe that idea wasn't such a good idea. Other times you can tell by the fast response of the people on the other side that that was good. You're really engaging well with them, the project's moving ahead, and that's great feedback for our team.